This is the control board for the Xmas Star. So we had 3 stars. See, this board is a 12 volt to 5 volt regulator board. It has got a 7805 IC. So this is the 12 volt input and this is the 5 volt output. To make the Xmas Star, that we had 3 stars. For that, I am using this ready-made solid state relay board. So if you see here, here it has got 4 channels and two pins for the supply input, that is for the 5 volt input. One is ground and the other one is the plus 5 volt. They have provided 2 connectors, parallel connectors. Either or it is better to use this connector, or you can use this connector also. And to turn on this relay, we have to give active low input. See, this is the output side where we connect the AC. We can connect a line or neutral to all these. See, 2 pins are there for each relay. So one is the input, and when the relay gets on, you will get the same as the output. So I will draw it and show you how to connect the star with this relay board. So this is a ready-made board which is available online. Okay, it's a 4-channel solid state relay board. And to generate different patterns, I have used a 16F628 microcontroller and 3 IOs. I have made use of it. You could see here some LEDs blinking here when the code is running. Okay. And what else is there? See, I have not planned. You can use any controller you have, because this code is very simple. We are making use only the delay, built-in delay function only we are using it, and for loop. Using for loop and the delay function, simply I made some patterns. So any of you can make this Xmas Star, and with any microcontroller, whatever you have it. This I had, so I made this. Without crystal also we can use the internal oscillator, because I face some problem, so I have changed it to the 16 megahertz crystal. That also whatever I had. So now in the description I will give you the link for the code, so you can just download. There is nothing, very simple code. You can modify as per your controller and use it. Thanks for watching. Welcome to Curie Electronics. If any of you are making your own Xmas Star, then you could go through this. You might have seen what are the patterns we have generated. So I have used one 16F628 microcontroller. You could use any of the controllers, whatever you have at home, even if it is any PIC controller, okay? And what is there? I have used only built-in delay function, so you need not worry about anything. And this PIC was running with a 8 megahertz crystal. 8 megahertz crystal. 8 megahertz crystal. That's all the information you need to make this. Make a reset circuit, make a general reset circuit for the PIC microcontroller, and put a crystal of 8 megahertz, then you are going to get the similar timing. Or whatever the crystal you have, you can use it and just define it properly. So, and this is what you have to know. This is a solid state relay I have used. I got a 4-channel relay, but I have made use only 3 of them. So if we see here, this board has got 2 connectors. See, this connector and this connector, both are same only, it's parallel connection. So it's better to use this connector, this connector. We can screw the wires. So here, this is a 5 volt, means it is not mentioned in the board, but this relay is rated for 5 volt relay. 5 volt relay. So you have to give 5 volt, and DC minus is the ground. Then you have channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, channel 4. This you have to interface with the IO pin of the microcontroller. Then you have to make it on and off, and the different patterns. And whatever the code I have used, I will and I will provide a link in the description. And this side is what you have to be careful. Okay, so AC we have to connect the here I have used bulbs to light on. For the lighting I have used bulbs. Okay, so this from the AC we will have line and neutral. So line, you can connect all lines to the similar way. A line you have to make it one connection here, next connection here, next here, here. Then what you do? This is star 1, star 2, star 3. The neutral I will connect directly to these stars. And the line will be coming through this solid state relay. See, from this is I connected to this. See, these connections, if you are familiar with only electrical and you are confident only, you have to make these connections, or you should take help from somebody who knows the electrical connections. It is dangerous. Okay, if you are not sure, don't try to make it. If you have enough experience in playing with this electricity, or if you are enough experience to make electrical connection, then only you should make it. Otherwise, don't try it out. Okay, if you have any doubts or anything, kindly ask me in the comment section. I will reply, or I will send you the, if you want to really make it, I will send you the proper circuit anytime whenever you need it. Thanks for watching.